Now, if you're a music star, a rock band artist, or you're in the public space, these effects will be very good for you. And what is the effect? The live concerts effect. Now, these effects just simulates or makes you look like you are in a mega concert and you're the star of the show. And this is how to create it with Higgsfield AI. The first thing you have to know is to you go to this website called higgsfield.ai. And higgsfield.ai is a very good website that allows you to create the greatest and the best VFX effects all for free. All you have to do is to sign up, click on visual effects, then go on to click on the live concert effects here. So once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this where you get to see samples of videos created using this particular effects, and you can click on any of them depending on what you want. You can see some have smoke, some have blue light, some have this urban light. So you just click on anyone you want, but if none of them speaks to you in that particular way, you can generate your own by clicking on generate to customize your own to your taste. So all you have to do is to actually upload a picture of yourself here, and then if you have an end image or an end frame, you can always upload it here. But if you do not have, you can leave it. Now, you this is the place you get to describe your prompt or what you want your video to look like. So after description, you can change this to whatever resolution you want, but you can, I advise you always leave it